Give me.
Which one? Which two?
Alright then. I go on lighter.
You don't get lighter, don't play it already.
No.
Never got none for it. Never.
We
God,
see
me
it.
to send the studio.
And alright, can I get 3?
Alright, go on with the 3.
Alright. One a lighter. I'm one a new bad girl one that you have. And the one
Which are
I'm
upset?
next. Yeah, I'm one the next one about the side chick. That me and the girl them meet up in a party. I need that one day.
Alright, mega start it out. Promise. And if you don't get it, you can come on social media and blast me because
No, no, I saw mistake. Like how long we forget then before my blast you?
Well,
to Wednesday.
we have to go wait till next week. I'm gonna there.
Listen though. I give you 1 week.
1 week.
So
and some jingle.
Yes. If I get it by now on Wednesday, yes, a blood clot me dead now. Okay?
Alright, black boy, back me up, you know.
Yeah. Cover.
Alright. If you like to remember, remind me.
Sheng, listen to you. Come, draw close and tell you something. You see the same night when I play the song, a lighter me I play now. Cartel send me $4,000.
Pussy clot. You buy some pussy?
No. Well, Sheng, listen now. Cartel and Romish in a money pull up clash. Pan lighter. Romish lighter out.
Romish, this look good. Yo, I'm gonna give an extra right now.
Yo, listen. It's when Romish dropped the 5 and Carter got 5 and Romish got $501. Imali Carter by $1. And Cartel go $502. The Cartel I lead by $1. And Cartel say, oh, pay back later again. And Cartel got 1,000. They were waiting for Romish and Romish like, gone. Cut off. Cut off. Darkness, watch it. They want to say, yo. The lighter must run out of gas. Must out of gas. And he must flash the lighter. You know you flash the lighter with the car, strike it. Nah,
like. Wait, no, come off my life.
No, I'm dead about. No, I'm there going easy, man. I'm tired, man. It's all right. Do you think, brother? But it was a good one, though.
All right, pick up yourself. I'm glad to say you get to live to see another year. I mean, I wish you many more happy belated birthday.
Thank you very much.
No, some have love for you, rate you. Pick up every selector on the live right now.
You know that. Because the first time I see we're at Florida. Remember me, I said, I've seen this in person. I'm gonna tell everybody say, yeah, you know, you have some female them pretty on the gram, but you see them in real life. Yeah. You remain that way there. No, you remain that way there.
Thank you.
Yeah, remain that way there. And big up yourself and wish you all the best.
Big up.
Romish, hold on there. Romish,
come on the live, yeah.
16,000 odd. Romish. No disrespect, but since you have a boss more than you.
Yo, I can't stay up on the live now because
Romish since you have a boss more than you. When you come over here, my number. Romish, when you come over here, my number no move. You not bring nobody with your brother.
Part of me a part-time, man. Part of me a part-time.
All right then. Sheng, big up yourself and thank you very much. Yeah?
Bye.
Big up yourself. All right then. See you there. Big R up. Hero 1! Outer road. Big up.
No.